Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a new alarm on your iPhone or other iOS device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Clock app from your iOS dashboard. Inside the Clock app, tap on Alarm from the bottom tabs. In the Alarm tab, you can create a new alarm by tapping the plus button at the top right of the screen. Use the dials here to set your desired alarm time. You can choose if you want this alarm to repeat, and if you do, on what days you want the alarm to go off. For example, if you get up at the same time for work on the same days every week, you can set that here so you don't have to set a new alarm every day. You can use the label to give your alarm a name. Tap on Sound to change the tone of your alarm. Tap on each one to hear a preview of it. Finally, you can choose whether to have the snooze button enabled on your alarm or not. Once you are done, be sure to hit the Save button at the top right of the screen. Your alarm is now set, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.